Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we are doing chapter 1 numeration from composite math, isn't it? You know that we are doing self practice 1B, and in today's class we are going to complete this self practice 1B and we are going to continue self practice 1C. Alright, two questions is left from self practice 1B. Those are number 7 and 8. So let us solve this. Number 7 state that which number is formed if 4 and 9 are interchanged in the number 45089. Express the number in numerals and word. You have a number 45089, and if these numbers are interchanged, that is 4 and 9 are interchanged. In place of interchange means in place of 9 4 will be placed, and in place of 4 9 will be there. So 9495084, this will be like this, right? This is interchanging. 4 and 9 are getting interchanged or changing, replacing the position. So express the number in numerals. It is expressed in the numerals. Now you have to write this in words. So you know that how to write this: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we are going to write 95,000 because these two both are in the 1000 position, and whenever there is a 10,000, both we have to write it 95,000. In 100 position there is 0, so that's why we are going to write directly 84. Alright, in 4 1 in 1's position 4 is there, and in 10's position 8 is there, so 84. I hope this is easy one. Moving on to the next question. What is the largest 5-digit number that can be formed using 73890? Largest 5-digit number. For that you have to know the largest digit out here. 9 is the largest. After that 8 is the largest. After that 7, 3, then 0. If suppose say the question is smallest 5-digit number, then we could have start from 0, 3, 7, 8, 9. This would be the smallest. This could be the smallest, and this is the largest 5-digit number. Is it 5-digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes. Okay. So with this we are over with self practice 1B. So now we are going to start with self practice 1C. Okay. The first question: write the numbers shown on the abacus both in figures and in words. So let me remind you, in self practice 1C we are going to deal with the 6-digit number. Okay, in 1B we dealt with 5-digit, in 1A 4-digit, like in 1C we are dealing with 6-digit. Alright, so if you have a 6-digit number, ones, tens, so what we in 6-digit will be in which place? Alright, the 6th place, what we are going to call the 6th place, we will call it as a lakh. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. You have heard this term, right? When your parents is dealing with the money, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, right? So whenever there is a 6-digit number, so starting from the right hand side you'll be having ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, till here you know, because in 5-digit you will get this term 10,000. But whenever there is a 6-digit, the last to the left of the 6-digit will be considered as a lakh. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Okay, so if there is a lakh, that means there is a 6-digit. Okay, if there is a 10,000, that means there is a 5-digit. Alright, so you have to write this in figures. So you know how to count the bit: 1, 2, 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is in your figure, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total of 6-digit, and this is in a lakh form. This is a 3 lakh actually. So if you count it, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and it is lakh. So how to read this, or how to write in a word? You'll write 3 is in which position? 3 is in lakh position, right? 3 lakh, and you know that whenever there is a 10,000 position, you will count both the thousand. It is 63,000, right? 63,000. Now 100 in 100 position it is 7, so it is 700, and in tens position it is 28. Tens and ones, it is all together. We have to continue write it, so that's why 21. Okay, so in such a manner we are going to write. Just say 3 lakh, because 3 is in lakh position, 63,000 because 6 and 3 both are in 10,000 and 1,000 position, 700 because 7 is in 100 position, and 2 is in tens and 8 is in ones, so that's why 21. Alright, so with this we are over with question number 1A. So as I mentioned, we are going to discuss about the lakh now. So you have to be very familiar how to write the number actually. So whenever there is a lakh, no, yesterday I forgot to mention that whenever you are having a 10,000 position, whenever you are dealing with a 10,000, if suppose say 2 3 5 6 2 5 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, this is in 10,000. So how to write this? You have to put the comma, no, the proper, actually in figure you have to write. So it will be like this: 2 3 5, no, over here 23,000 will be like this. After 2 digit the comma will be there. Okay, 23,562. In 5 digit, in case of 5 digit, after the 2 digit you will put the comma. Okay, but in case of the lakh, where to put the comma? First of all, you will put in the after the first digit, and then after the 2 digit. That is in how we did in the 10,000 position, after 2 digit, no. So similarly, if you have 10, you will in lakh you'll be having 10,000. Do not forget this. Okay, this is the proper way of writing in figures. Okay, so whenever you'll go to the higher class, if you have to write 10,000, 1,000 or lakh, you'll be putting such comma so that it will be proper. Okay, so moving on to the next, number B. Just have to count the bit 1 2 3 4. It is in lakh position, so in 10,000 position there is nothing, so it will be 0. So whenever there is nothing, it will be 0. After that, in 1,000 position you are having 3 digits, so 3 bits, so 3. In 100 there is nothing, 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in tens position, and in ones 1 2 3. So how to write? After 1 digit in case of lakh you put the comma, and after 2 digit in case of 10,000 you are going to put the comma here. Okay, so if you have to write this in case of word, in word you want to write, then how to write? Of course, start with 4 lakh, because the last left corner is lakh, so we will be starting, we'll write the, whenever you are writing in word you will be starting from here, but whenever you are writing or pressing the position you will be starting from ones position. Alright, so 4 lakh 3,000, because in 10,000 position there is 0, so we are not going to write 0 3 10,000, so we are going to write 3,000. Okay, in 100 there is nothing, 0, so we cannot write 0 100, so we have to continue with 10's position, so it is 83. Alright, I hope you are clear. 4 lakh 3,083. So how to read this? 4 lakh 3,083. Okay, so I hope you are clear. So moving on to the next question, question number 2 from self practice 1C. Represent the largest digit number on the abacus shown here. Also write its number name. So you have to represent the largest 6-digit number. So I hope you remember in the first class we have discussed about this. Not first class, actually in second class, second video I have mentioned that the largest digit number, the smallest digit number, right? So the largest digit number, if you have 6-digit number, then starting from the 9, how many 9s would be there? 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5, 6. So this is your largest 6-digit number. So represent it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, in case of this case, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this we got our largest 6-digit number, and if you have to write in the number form or numeral form, you are going to write like this, right? So if you have to write this in the figure, how to write? 9 lakh, right? 9 lakh 99,000 99,000, and in 100% there is again 9, so 999. All right, 9 lakh. I forgot to mention comma. That is also one type of a mistake, you can say. Okay, so do not repeat the mistake. Do not do the mistake. 9,99,999. All right. So with this, we are over with question number 2 also. I hope you understood this. It is the easiest one, right? So let us move on to the next question. Here we have the next question, question number 3. Read and write the following numbers in word. It is like similar to the previous one. You have to write this in word. I'll be doing few questions from here, and remaining one you try to do it yourself. Okay. If you are having a problem, just comment it. Okay. Comment and tell me how to do the sums. I have not understood. Okay. I'll be helping you out. Okay. So number A is 6-digit. So you will not be having a problem. Whenever you are having a 4-digit, it will be 1,000. Whenever you are having 5-digit, it is 10,000. Whenever you are having 6-digit, it will be in form of lakh. All right, so it is in lakh. So write directly 6 lakh 38,000. Just see the comma here. This comma itself indicates that it is in the lakh form, it is in the 10,000 form, and these are in the 100 tens and ones form. Okay. So 6 lakh 38,000. All right. In case of 100%, there is 0, so don't count 0. Directly write 23. All right. So with this, we are over with number A. Let us proceed to the next. Now 7 lakh 50. Do not put comma here. Sorry. 53 291. Okay, 7, because 7 in case of lakh, 7 is there, and in which position it is? Lakh. 7 lakh 53,291. All right. So I hope you have understood how to write. Right, we are doing this from the beginning of this session. So number C, D, and E will be a home assignment. You are going to try it yourself. All right. So number C, D, and E from question number 3 of self-practice 1C is your homework. Okay. Proceeding forward, we have question number 4. Write the following in figures by putting the commas at the proper place. So just see what I have mentioned in the previous question, that to put the comma is a mandatory thing. Mandatory means very, very important thing. Okay, so in proper place it should be. You cannot put here and there. So I've already said you how to write or where to put the commas on its proper place, right? So using that concept, we are going to solve this problem also. Okay, so the question is, write the following in figures by putting commas at proper places. Okay, so first of all, you have to write the given words, number in words it is given, and you have to put that in number form, and then you will put the comma at the proper place. Okay, so how to do that, I'll be teaching that. 3,79,518. Okay, it is very easy. So in case of lakh position, it is 3. Obviously it is of 6 digit, that's why you are having lakh. 3,79,518. So this is the form, right? So now the question comes where to put the comma. You already know where to put. In case of lakh, after 1 digit, and in case of 10,000, after 2 digit. Just simple. That is the funda, right? So similarly, our number B, 8,09,015. So 8 it should be in the lakh position, but 9,000 it is, not 99 or not 89 or not 69. You do not have double digit here. So it is so this indicates that in case of 10,000 position, it is 0. Okay, and it is 9,000, so 9,000, and it is 15. That means in case of 100 also it is 0. In case of 100 position, it is 0. Directly it is 15 written, so 1, 5. 15 means 10's position and 5 in 1's position. So in this condition, where to put comma, you already know. Alright, so number C, 3,15,009. In case of lakh, it should be 3. 15,000 means 1, 5, 10s and 10,000 and 1,000, and it is directly written 9. So there is no 100 position and no 10s position also, because it is this 9 is for 1's position. So where to put comma? 3,15,009. Okay, so number D and E, similarly you will try to do it yourself. Okay, this is your home assignment. Alright, very easy, right? So with this, we are over with our self-practice 1C. Let us proceed to self-practice 1D. Alright, here we have the first question from question number self-practice 1D. Question number 1, write the place value of each digit in the following numbers. So place value is not a new term for you. In case of 1D, self-practice 1D, we are going to deal the place and the face value. Alright, so in the introduction part, or in the first video or the first class, we have discussed about place and the face value, right? So it should not be the new thing for you people. So I'll be discussing about that, alright? Don't worry. So place means the position of a digit or the of a value. Okay, so 7 is in which position or a place? 1's place, right? So we have the place value of 7 is 7. What is the place value of 2 here? 2, 0, because it is in 10's position or the 10's place. You remember. So 8 is in 100 position, that's why 800. 1's 10's 100, and 9 is in which position? It is in 1000 position, that's why 9. How many zeros should be there? 1's 10's 100, 1000, no? After 9, how many digits are there? Remember this? 1, 2, 3 digits, that's why 30. 8, how many? After 8, how many digits are there? 2 digits, so 20. Similarly, after 2, how many digits are there? 1, so that's why 10. 7, after 7, how many digits are there? 0, that's why no 0. Okay, so the remaining one we have is 7. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, that's why 4, 0. Or you can understand this thing from another way also, that 1's 10's 100,000 10,000 position. So just count it, 1's 10's 100,000 10,000 position. So this is the way to write the place value or the position value also, you can say. Okay, of any digit given in the question. Alright, so let us proceed to the next question. So the similar type of question we have in question number B of question number 1. Only the digits are bigger compared to the number A. So the place value of 8 is 8. The place value of 5 is 50 because it is in 10's position. Place value of 7 is 700 because it is in 100 position. The place value of 6 is 6000 as because it is in 1000 position. And after 6, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. That's why 30 also you can say. After that 2 we have, how many digits should be there? 4 zeros should be there, right? Because it is in 10,000 position. 1's 10's 100,000 10,000. After 10,000 what comes? It is of 6 digit and it is forming a 6 lakh sorry, it is forming a lakh, right? So 5 lakh. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. One thing I'm missing, to put the comma. Do not forget to do that. 6,000. In case of 700, no need to put the comma. Okay, that is not. So this is the way to write the place value of any given number. Okay. So moving on to the next question, we have question number 2 from self-practice 1D. The question states that write the place value and the face value of the colored digit in each of the following numbers. Okay, so you have to write the place value and the face value of each colored number. So you all know how to do the place value. In the previous question we have done the face value. Let me remind, face value is the value itself. The number itself will be represented by the value as a face. Okay, so place value, in case of 1 to 1, the colored digit we have to write, right? So the colored digit here is 1. So the place value of 1 in case of 1 to 171 is 100, because it is in 1 tens 100 position. That's why. Similarly, the face value of 1 will be 1. Okay. Number B, you have to write the colored digit, that is number 3, which is in 100 position, 1 tens 100. So it will be 300, and the face value itself is 3. In case of number C, it is 1, and after 1 how many digits? 3 digits are there, so 1000. The face value is 1. In case of number D, it is 50000, because after 5 1 2 3 4 0 are there, so we can write directly this one. All right, so the face value here is 5. In case of this, the place value will be 0, the face value will be 0. For 0, we cannot write 000. The single digit itself will indicate the place value of a 0. Similarly, in number F and Z, you are going to do it yourself. Okay, this will be a home assignment. All right, so it is easy, right? So that's much for today. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice and do your home assignment. Okay, thank you everyone.